Hello, today is Angry Blind Hanging with Shane Snook. Let's go. We'll find out what we got to do. Let's find out where he's at.
I don't understand where these fucking clips go. It's made in time fucking one! America!
And that's how
Fucking drill!
Oh! Shane's about to smash everything.
Fucking hole! It won't go in the fucking hole. Have a baby by Cody, be on welfare. Have a baby by Cody, be on welfare. Have a baby by Cody. Yes!
Yo, you almost done painting?
No, we need to go get a new fucking pan!
Yo, you want any help?
Brody, stay the fuck away from.
What are you doing?
Send it in the fuck